This is my knockoff walking chicken that I got at a thrift store last year for $1. This is probably one of my weirdest items I have. As you can see, he has some feathers on top of his head, the Mr. Potato Head eyes, yellow beak. The price tag is here under his chin. See, $1. He's got feathers on his arms. The button's right there. He also has colored feathers on his back, purple, pink, blue, and green. He's got a zipper, which opens up to the battery further. Unzip it. See an on-off switch. It takes 4 AA batteries. And, yeah, that's pretty much it for him. Well, oh yeah, and the feet. Yeah, he's supposed to walk and move his feathers, I mean his wings, as he plays Camptown Ladies. I think that's the name of the song, but I can't be sure. But he does not walk. I'll show you. He's supposed to be walking, but he doesn't. I'll do him again. Also, one more cool thing about him, if you grab him by the neck, he chokes. And if you do it when he's playing the song, he'll start over. Let me show you. Play it for a little bit. See, he starts the song over. He's very similar to my Don't Pull My Ears Donald that I got at Hallmark a long time ago, but I'll upload an HD recording for him in the future, and that's pretty much it for now.